Hey guys, this is how to auto scroll TikTok videos on Android or iPhone, so let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your TikTok and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right, and now click on the three lines at the top right corner, and here you have to just click on the settings and privacy. Now you have to just scroll all the way down and then click on report a problem. Here you just need to scroll all the way down at the bottom of this interface and click on submit a report. Now you have to just wait for loading. So alright, you are here at this interface. So here what you need to do, you have to just simply report your problem and make a short description that you have missing the option of auto scrolling your TikTok. So for this you have to just choose suitable words, like you have to just write here, I am missing auto scroll feature on my account. Please help me to fix this problem and add it to my account as soon as possible. So once you're done, you have to just click on the submit. And yes, the report has been submitted within 48 to 72 hours. This option of the auto scroll will be added to your TikTok and you will be able to enjoy this auto scroll option on your TikTok. So yes, this is an easy way to get auto scroll option on your TikTok to enjoy your videos with the auto scroll. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.